Oh, I didn't know you liked Led Zeppelin.
Oh yeah, for sure. This is their newest album.
Nice. Just came out Thursday.
Yeah.
Right on.
Resurrected John Bonham with some fucking like black magic wizardry. Yeah.
Right on.
Yeah, bud.
Holy. Big fire marshal brigade going on over here. Must be a sale at the beer store. I apologize. Uh-oh. 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 My stinking Lincoln boys. My new one. The fucking wood trims onto it and stuff. Fire's right up. Lincoln. Stinking Lincoln.
Stinking Lincoln?
Yeah.
Oh, why is it stink on the inside?
Oh, not too bad.
No, nothing like the trailer?
Trailer reek?
It's nothing like the trailer there?
Not too bad.
No.
Just send you and that stinking Lincoln hit that dirt pile over the fence, see what happens.
For sure.
You won't. Just as fast as you can, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Maybe with that Dodge, just like it could go right at the telephone pole too. Yeah.
I'll just move the dirt over and you can try to chop the telephone pole in half, like up in the middle, you know?
Hey, my friend.
Oh my God, you're alive!
01 machine oil.
Machine oil?
No, I need the oil, machine oil. 01.
Just old oil?
Yeah, old, okay.
So you just want to use some, you just want to put used motor oil?
Sure.
Yeah, you just want to put used motor oil on your chainsaw?
Oh, no, there.
To fit?
Okay. Maybe okay?
Good?
Okay. Oh my God.
So much mess. Oh, netty.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
You should know. Canada, Mariana, go Thailand. How much money? 1,000 pound. 1,000 US pound.
Oh yeah?
My friend, he container, big container.
Container full of marijuana?
Yeah.
To Thailand?
Go Yunnan. No, he go Yunnan change to Taiwan.
Taiwan?
Yeah, Japan.
Oh my God.
I don't know.
Prison? Prison.
Wow, made them too much money. My friend, that one, he go US, cut 3 times. No money. He that one, wow, 10 million.
10 million?
Yeah.
Tell him I want 1 million just for myself.
10 million. One container, 10 million.
Can I just have 1 million?
You
Yeah.
know? You know when I go Yunnan?
Oh, I don't know anybody from Thailand.
Thailand, Yunnan. Oh.
Wow, netty.
Hey, I know business. My friend business. Very good.
Netty.
Too much money.
Yeah.
1 pound made too much. Made 9,000 US dollar. Yunnan, custody. No problem. Money. Okay, go. Money. 1,000 money.
Easy.
1,000 US dollar.
Yeah.
Go. Container go.
Oh,
Oh my God.
so muchy.
Good one. I know. You know your business? Huh?
I don't know.
You know the flag?
I don't know.
I tie down flag and he sold my order.
Okay,
Yeah.
cut me
You-
in. Yeah, yeah. Cut me in, bud. Okay? Okay. Okay, thank you. Oh, too much he's gonna cut me in, boys. Decent.
Ah, rejoice! Let the party begin. I'm here.
Hey?
Huh?
Bend over, pull him down.
No. That's
Easy
not how it
access.
works. You know how it works.
You got the easy access.
You catch.
Yeah, that's...
Are you gonna make these?
How's that gonna work? I'm gonna have to like get down on my knees and bend over, and you're gonna get up on a bench, and that's not gonna work. You just bend over perfectly. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Well, so did you even read any of the messages I sent before you left, or? Yeah, well,
What was the last one?
I'm gonna get Nelson to do it. That was pretty much.
Okay. Cool.
But
That's okay.
oh hey buddy, what happened? Oh, I got you presents.
Oh.
For you do such good work. Look at this one. Look at this one. I got a bag of cigarette butts.
Until I.
Look at. Oh, nice. So I got a bag of cigarette butts
Nice.
and some old robot cocks.
Oh my god.
Some like half chooched
They're
robot
already half
cocks.
sucked on?
Yeah, half
Nice.
sucked on robot cocks.
Awesome.
Yeah. Hey.
I
Oh, look at you go.
Yeah. I bent that thing up and it still decided I wanted to just break.
Oh, you even undid it. Look at you go.
Oh, man.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. You told me to snip it off. I saw that there was that little.
A little nutapini on there.
Sorry.
And if you get like a punch, there might be like a punch, you know, and then you can just like, knock
Yeah.
or whatever. I don't know.
Yeah.
Or even like, like a long, smaller bolt, smaller one to, or, another one
But
to-
you know me and bolts, man.
just round right on the end, terrible.
Yes, that's exactly what I planned on doing.
Right on.
You make bad choices a lot.
Well, look who I hang around with. Yeah, exactly.
Fucking hobos.
No, he's not a hobo.
No.
He's a felon.
Oh, felon, my mistake.
Can I get one of those? You gotta try the robot cocks, buddy. They're a lot smoother. They're a lot less vulgar on your operation, you know what I mean?
If you don't cough, you don't get off.
Man, I was just trying. You wouldn't let me. Oh, I apologize. Hopefully that's diesel just pissing all over the ground. What happened?
For that reason, I can read.
Oh, dear father. Art father.
You got some baking soda?
I don't do crack anymore. So.
So that's a hard no.
Yeah.
Is that the only reason you had baking soda?
Well, why would you have baking soda?
Cocaine?
Pocahontas, buddy. You know that. You don't know Pocahontas?
I don't play that game.
You know Pocahontas?
I played that game. I could tell you some stories about that game.
About Pocahontas.
I don't know who she is, but it's not gonna be good. She's not gonna be no good for me. No good. You know, I'm a certified battery technician. I know, right?
You're a certified kid too. Ah! You need a certificate. You know what I mean?
Got one. Don't touch me! You don't have the right! Decisions.
Before we just take the head off it, maybe we should just take the head off it, just to check.
Do you have a head?
Yeah, right here.
Can we take one off another vehicle just to put on, just in case that had injectors in it?
Right there.
Oh my God, we're
We could
almost
take
there.
that truck apart.
That's almost finished. The way, like,
Yeah.
just take the head off and put it on, and you're done.
Yeah.
Like,
We could do that. I got a head gasket too, which is handy.
all you need is paint. And you know that? You can just use the old one and just use copper colored paint.
Yeah, I got some copper spray.
Yep. And then, right? Trim clad just like new. Brand new second hand. Hey, I mentioned you were jacking me.
Oh yeah, well you start saying words, you know that.
Words. My brain don't function good.
Yeah, you said stuff, I broke it.
Some sort of delayed reaction from your weed. Mine's pretty
Too much. He came over this morning for some used motor oil for his chainsaw.
Oh, for barn oil?
Yeah.
My dad used to use that.
Oh, that doesn't work.
Never bothered the old man. I don't use it, but...
Well, it's just makes a mess, pisses out everywhere. It's too thin. It makes just...
Like...
Yeah, it doesn't, yeah, no, too much is just...
A pile of wood there next to the port.
Who, Too-Muchy?
Yeah.
Where the f*** it?
You took it.
See, this is what happens. I set something down, gone. It's gone.
You were like, hey, I'm most important. Remember?
Grounded yet there, face? Yeah. You imagine that up your f***ing article? Scores.
No thanks.
Scores. So see.
I don't like that, thank you. No please.
Maybe 1-2 times, but after that, me okay. 1-2 times, then me okay. Okay. Oh, I know. Smell my dink. You know what I mean? Here.
Right? You want to frot? Put your dink inside my dink?
Yeah, that's stovepiping.
Is that it?
Yeah. Do you got the elastic on the end? Yeah, me neither. So we're f***ed.
Just sword fighting.
Yeah, you just gotta like kind of mash mushrooms and shit. Yeah, it's hard to find, you know what I mean? One with the f***ing elastic on the end, you know what I mean?
What are we gonna do about
Sometimes I wish I had it, because like if you're going to jail, that's a perfect place to shove a gram of hash. Just, you know what I mean?
In
Then you
your
know how to put it in
dick
your
pocket?
Yeah, in your dick pocket, yeah. Then you pull up this just stinking piece of and then everybody's like smelling it. Oh, this is good hash. Eh? Yeah, it was in my dink. Like it was right in the end of my dink where it's all wet.
That makes me uncomfortable in too many ways.
Yeah, oh I know.
So I don't know what you want to do. You want to inspect all the wires that didn't tear to there?
Oh, buddy.
Pinched.
Push it in. Oh, that would have just blistered the mushroom. You would have just had like a blister.
That definitely left a stain.
Did you notice how it was just mostly just a yeah.
Not sure this one's coming all the way off.
Yeah, I'm in the same boat here, buddy. It's what I think it is. It's got a fat piece in the middle, and it's a double-ended thread, right? So if you're screwing in one side, it's screwing in the other, and the same vice versa. Or you mean the nut itself?
The nut's not coming off this stud. Not unless I push it all the way back on and grind the end. It's like mushroomed out from people.
Yeah, nice. Okay, now I found my light. Look at me go. No, where'd I put my 15? Didn't I have a 15?
Oh.
No, you did not.
It's half chewed up a little bit even. See it there?
Yeah, no, I see it.
It's half chewed up a little bit.
That's good.
Just solder it. And there's lead.
We just like add some material to it and then drill a hole. With like some wheel weight. Put some wheel weight on it. Surely be better than it was. Don't call me Shirley. The technique, boys.
So if you put it down there, I'll heat the top.
Yeah, well, don't get my fucking hand and battery and stuff either. Oh, that's plenty.
Oh, lots of hot.
That's a hot.
Okay. Oh, you're a sculptor.
I sort of, I literally just had fucking solder in my hand. It was like, it was in my hand, and now it's just literally not in anywhere in sight at all. Oh, right on. That's her right there, yep. Spank you up.
Okay, safe to unplug all this shit right a second.
I think so. Just did a pretty good job on this side. Now that I know what I was expecting. Now that I know what I was expecting. Drill a hole in that, you never know 3 things from yesterday, you know what I mean? It's pretty wallered, if I'd say. You get cummins shit all over your finger. Pick your ear. Ear plugged with cummins shit. Blocks your hearing. My fault. That's my fault. I'm not sure if this fixed the running rough issue, but it shouldn't hurt. Now was the, ECM's getting low voltage to the ECM was the code, so, or ECU, whatever the fuck it is.
Yeah.
So.
And the voltage will be measured on the ground side.
Yeah, so maybe, I don't know, I'm not sure. All foreign objects to me. But we got all the ends.
Literally a direct ground too.
Yeah, all the grounds cleaned up and an extra ground.
Yeah.
Just check the fucking fuel or the oil just to make sure. Ooh.
This thing really got 400,000 gallons on the outside.
Maybe we fixed it. Doesn't seem to be running as rough.
Sounds good.
Yeah, it's not knocking and carrying on. We did the big 3 upgrade on the rig there, bud, eh? We did the big 3. Holy schnikowitz. Oh, beg my pardon. Rig's running mid.
Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah, it feels fucking smooth too.
Right?
Yeah.
It's not so vibratorium.
Yeah. I mean, there's nothing wrong with a little vibration every once in a while, but